If you keep watching random IELTS tips, you will stay Band 6. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do for 60 days to reach Band 7 or higher. The real problem? Students watch tips but don't follow a structure. Your skills improve unevenly. Maybe your speaking gets better, but your writing stays weak. IELTS is not hard, lack of structure is hard. Here is how the 60-day system works. We tackle speaking, grammar, and vocabulary upgrades, plus listening traps and reading strategies. For example, day 1 is natural speaking answers, day 2 is grammar fixes, and day 3 is your vocabulary upgrade. Follow IELTS Education 25 for more. Let's look at some quick wins. For speaking, don't say, I am having two brothers. The correct way is, I have two brothers. In writing, swap firstly and secondly for more academic phrases like one key reason or another factor. And for vocabulary, stop saying very, very big. Use extremely large for a higher band score. The biggest mistakes? Memorizing templates and writing without feedback. Knowledge doesn't increase your band. Daily correction does. Your daily plan should be 20 to 30 minutes, 5 minutes each for speaking, grammar, vocab, and strategy. Practice is the key here. Follow IELTS Education 25 every day for the next 60 days. Follow the sequence and your English will change for the better.